Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to tie the running Ryan knot that was simple and easy. Let's get started. To tie the running Ryan knot, first, you bring two loops around to filler cords. And then pull them through the center of those two filler cords. Repeat the same process to tie the next running Ryan knots. The running Ryan knot is used quite a bit in weaving, and sometimes it is also a way to decorate your macrame. This knot needs to be held up by something underneath it. So you'll have to tie a row of double half-hitch knots or square knots at the bottom of your work before you tie the running Ryan knot. When you finish, you can either tuck the ends of the filler cord into the back of your work or add a bit of glue to secure it. If you enjoy this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up like button below, and don't forget to leave your comment. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you'll apply this knot to your macrame work successfully.